Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Wordy English. My name is Anna, and I'm 23 years old. I work as a nurse, and I'm very happy to have you here today. In this video, I will talk about my family. I'll tell you about the people I love, the things we do together, and how we enjoy our time as a family. This is a simple story, and I hope you can learn new words and practice your English. Let's begin. My family. Hello. My name is Anna, and today I want to tell you about my family. I love my family very much. There are 4 people in my family: my grandmother, my uncle, my little sister, and me. We live in a small town in a cozy house. My family is very special to me, and I want to share some things about each person. My grandmother. My grandmother's name is Lucy. She is very kind and caring. She wakes up early every day to make breakfast for us. My grandmother doesn't work now, but she used to be a nurse like me. She loves to bake cakes and cookies. Every weekend, she bakes something sweet and we all enjoy it together. Her chocolate cake is my favorite. In the evening, she likes to knit scarves and watch TV. Sometimes I sit next to her and we talk while she knits. She tells me stories from the past and I love listening to her. When I feel tired or sad, my grandmother always gives me a hug and tells me everything will be okay. She is a very warm and loving person. My uncle. My uncle's name is John. He is my mother's brother. He is very funny and always makes us laugh. He works as a bus driver and drives children to school every day. Even though he has a busy job, he always makes time to help at home. He helps my grandmother in the garden and sometimes cooks dinner too. On weekends, he takes us out for a drive or to the park. He loves nature and often shows us birds, trees, and flowers. He also plays the guitar and sings songs. We sit together and sing with him. It's always a fun time. My sister. I have one little sister. Her name is Lily and she is 9 years old. Lily is very cheerful and loves to play. She is good at drawing and painting. She draws flowers, animals, and even funny cartoons. She also loves to dance. Every evening, she plays music and dances in the living room. Sometimes I dance with her and we laugh a lot. Lily and I share a bedroom. We have 2 small beds and lots of toys and books in our room. Sometimes we make a mess, but we clean it together. We help each other with homework and read storybooks before bed. Lily is my best friend and I love her very much. Our home. We live in a small but beautiful house. It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 1 bathroom. There's also a little garden in the back. Our kitchen is always full of good smells, thanks to my grandmother's cooking. Sometimes Lily and I help her by washing vegetables or setting the table. The garden has flowers, vegetables, and a big tree. My uncle and grandmother take care of the plants. I like sitting in the garden in the morning with a book and some tea. Family time. Every evening after dinner, we sit in the living room and talk. We share how our day was and what we learned. Sometimes we play board games like Ludo or Uno. Every Friday night, we watch a movie together. We make popcorn, turn off the lights, and enjoy the movie as a family. Through the movie, we talk about the best parts. It's always fun and helps us feel close. Special days. We love celebrating holidays and birthdays. On New Year's Eve, we decorate the house with lights. My uncle plays music and we dance and eat tasty food. On birthdays, we hang balloons and streamers. We eat cakes, sing songs, and take pictures. Lily loves birthdays because she gets gifts and plays with her friends. These special days are full of love, laughter, and memories. Our family is not big, but we are very close. We support each other, care for each other, and enjoy spending time together. I feel very lucky to have a family that makes me feel safe and loved. That is my family. I love them very much, and I'm thankful for everything they do for me. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about my family. Please leave a comment and tell me about your family. Who is in your family? What do you like to do together? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily English Guide for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing.